Okay, so today I would like to introduce a concept to you all known as trendjacking. This is about one of the stupidest and easiest ways that you can get views and make money online, especially through social media. And the way that you do this is extremely simple, and I'm just surprised more people aren't talking about this. So just for some context for you guys, I run a juggling channel, and on YouTube it's made $768 in the past 28 days. And on TikTok this month it's made $1,337 so far. And if I go to last month, you can see we made over $3,400. And so it's with this kind of content, I'm actually really good at juggling, so I tend to just make juggling videos and center my content around that. But what I've been doing recently to get more views, which a lot of people just don't talk about at all, is trendjacking. And this is where instead of trying to come up with something new, you can do something that you've already done and add a trend on top of that that's already going viral. And now you're doing the same exact thing, but since the trend is going viral, you basically get to steal views or jack views off of the trend. And this is why it's called trendjacking. Now, I want to show you what this can really amount to, because what I've been doing recently is I've been including the trend known as 6'7". If you're living under a rock, you might not know what this is, but probably a lot of you do. It's this kid who did this little thing where he said 6'7", and for some reason it just took off. It's absolutely viral. Everybody loves to say 6'7", especially kids under the age of 18. And so in my videos, I'll play one right now, you can see where I intentionally add this in. People look at this and think that's impossible, but when I started, I couldn't juggle 5, 4, 3, or even 2 balls. I started juggling when I was 6, 7, and I was so bad that I had to use scarf. So there it is. You can see I said I started juggling when I was 6, 7, and that was 100% a rage bait from the comments. And if we take a look, it works. 6, 7, the guy doing the 6, 7 thing. Once again, we have people spamming gifs of 6, 7. I mean, everyone in the comments noticed what was happening, picked up on it, and the video that I was referring to here, which is this one, got 200,000 views. Now, just to show you, that's not just on Instagram, that's also on TikTok right here, which you can see if I go to the comments on this video, everyone is typing 6, 7 or showing the 6, 7 kid. And if I go up here and go to TikTok Studio, we can see that video alone, which most of the views haven't even been counted yet, already made $35 in the TikTok creator program and is going to be making more throughout the next couple days. So yeah, if you don't already use trendjacking, I highly recommend it. And there's one more tip on top of just normal trendjacking that you can do, which is instead of just taking the clips that you have and posting it just on Instagram or just on TikTok, is instead to take the trendjack that you're doing and post it across every single platform so you can earn across all of them. What I've been doing to make sure I do this is using something called repurpose.io. I'll leave the link to it in the description. You can sign up 100% for free. Just click start automating free, and then I just sign in with Google because it's very quick. And you can set up automations between your social media platforms. So I have an automation that when I post on Instagram, that video automatically goes up on Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, and even X. So now I'm monetized on YouTube, TikTok, and Snapchat. And so every time I post on Instagram, all those videos go out to all those other platforms. And as you saw, it's making me money on TikTok. It's making me money on YouTube as well. And so if you're not posting to every single platform, you're losing out on money right now. You are losing money by not posting on YouTube. So with that being said, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.